Here in this code sample we have the BT element. BT element as an object in the DOM that represents it, and the object in the DOM that represents this BT element is called the shadow host object. That object, even though its content is hello world, because we over here create a shadow root, this content won't be displayed. If we try to execute this code sample, as you can see, we don't get to see this text hello world, because we took the object that represents this element and turned it into a shadow host object, which means that its content is not displayed. Instead, we get displayed the content of the shadow root object we created over here for the object that represents this element. Now, if we take these two lines away, then there won't be anything special in this code sample, and we shall see on screen hello world. Let's give it a try. Just as expected. However, if we treat the object that represents this element as a shadow host by creating a shadow root, doing so turn this element, the object that represents this element, into a shadow host, then the content that will be displayed is the content of the shadow root, not the text we see over here. So if we try to execute this code sample now, as you can see, we see nothing. We see nothing because now the object that represents this element is a shadow host, and we have another new object which is the shadow root, and the content we should see over here is the content of the shadow root. And here I specify that I want it to be the text shalom or anything else I have in mind.